Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. Today I just want to show you how to automate some of your social media posting, especially LinkedIn, using N8N and some ideas that you can throw into a Google Sheet. So let's jump right into it and show you how it's done. So if you go into your LinkedIn post automation Google Sheet, obviously we can add more columns, but these are the ones that I'm just sticking with for now, just a topic and status. And what it's going to do is it's going to go into this pipeline. This is N8N for if you've never seen it before. Basically, you're defining a workflow with AI agents and how these AI agents are going to act and perform steps, generate images, and really get us to that final step of publishing the LinkedIn post and updating the Google Sheet. So I'm just going to run it right now. And while I'm running it, I'm going to show you exactly what's happening. So in this node, we just took all of the information from our Google Sheet here, right? And it's putting it into this format that's readable for the agent. And so right now you see the agent is actually talking to OpenAI. It's doing a web search and it's going to follow this structured output and it's going to pass it on to generating the LinkedIn post. So I'll actually show you what that looks like. And this may look like a lot right now, but basically what we're doing is this is what we want the output of this research to be. Selected topic, market context, successful post example, engagement score, right? So actually what it's doing is it's choosing the best, what it thinks is going to be the most engaging post from your ideas. And it's passing that on here. And then once that's all done, so, you could tell it's going back and forth and it's researching the internet, right? It's searched 15 websites, talking to OpenAI and really gathering that research so that you're getting a really deep post with the AI model. And so while that's happening, I'm just going to go over to the generate LinkedIn post content. So this prompt here is like create a LinkedIn post for a real estate agent using this research. And then you show the research that you want professional with a tone. So this is basically the prompt that you're sending to the model. Include one specific insight. And this is the JSON output that we want. This is a little bit more system message saying like, these are the instructions. And we're seeing actually what came out. So this is a successful post example, right? Pain point addressed. Then you got here on this side, this is the output, the title, the text, the hashtags, right? And it's actually giving you a bunch of different examples for posts. And then we're getting here, we're generating an image. And actually what I'm doing here is I'm using Replicate, which if you have never seen it, it's a really cool app online for building images. So you got here like this Black Forest Labs. If you go to models, you can see like the public models available, which is actually not finding them right now. But yeah, you got basically this is what's happening here. And you can actually see the image. So this is what was made. So you have like a beautiful, you could obviously tweak this a little bit, but you have like a real estate agent there, publish it to LinkedIn, update the Google Sheet. So if you go to the Google Sheet here, you can actually see unlocking success in today's real estate market. Did you know that over 60% of buyers, et cetera, So it actually made the prompt, gave you a link to the image, and it posted it on my LinkedIn. This is just a dummy account for my LinkedIn, but see, you have this beautiful post here. And obviously we could clean up some things like try not to have some markdown in here, the new lines, but you have a beautiful post. And so you can also post as an individual or a company. So really like if you want to do like a market update every week, this is easy, low hanging fruit to get people interested in what you have to say. And it's doing a lot of work for you on the back end, saving you time, getting you more leads and customers eventually. So hope you enjoyed this little tutorial and I'll see you in the next one.